Microfiber hacks for auto detailing that will blow your mind. Hey guys, it's Lucas here and welcome back to Microfiber Monday here on the Euro YouTube channel. And today I'm going to be showing you some amazing microfiber towel hacks that's going to save you time, effort, and money. Let's get started. The first hack that we have is to color code your microfiber towels. This is important to stop cross-contamination. For example, you can use a towel for interior cleaning, a towel for exterior cleaning, and a towel for polishing. This helps to prevent any leftover grime or chemicals from transferring to sensitive areas, ensuring each job is done safely and effectively. Number 2, dampening your towel to optimally boost absorption. Be sure to dampen your towel before cleaning. Never dry wipe. This improves the towel's absorption and helps to lift dirt with more precision, especially on dry or dusty surfaces. Just be sure to not soak the towel. Thirdly, using specific towels for glass, windows, and screen cleaning. It is important to understand that there are towels specifically designed with a weave for these surfaces. For example, our suede electronic screen cleaner that is great on screens, on your dashboard console area. And then we have our glass weave towels that are great for windshields, mirrors, and all of that. And these specific microfiber weaves prevent streaks and ensure crystal clear, streak-free shine. They work better than all-purpose towels. Next, perfect polishing using the 3-towel method. You can use one towel to apply the wax, polish, or coat, another towel to remove the bulk of it, and finally, a third towel for smoothing it all out. These multiple towels will help avoid the buildup of excess products and leave behind a flawless shine without smearing. Try our 500 GSM Korea towels, which are perfect for this. Another hack is to quickly dry your car after washing to avoid water spots. For example, you can use our huge waffle weave drying towel or our double density shag towels. These towels can handle a lot of water, reducing the risk of water spots and leaving your car surface dry and smooth quickly. Again, check out our huge waffle weave towel or our 700 GSM blue shag towels. The sixth hack is to keep your interior clean using an all-purpose multi-use towel. You can use these towels to clean your console, dashboard, and seats. After wiping it down with a cleaning product sprayed on the towel, be sure to use a dry microfiber towel to buff the surface for a clean, matte finish. The microfiber traps dust, debris, and oils, so using these towels will leave these surfaces spotless, streak, and smudge-free. The next hack is to prevent scratches by using the 8-fold method for microfiber towels. All you have to do is grab your towel, fold it long ways, and then fold it again in half, and you have 8 fresh sides to work with. This minimizes the risk of accidentally dragging dirt across the surface, which could lead to scratches. It also helps distribute the cleaning force evenly, especially on sensitive surfaces like paint. Another life-changing hack is learning how to clean your towels easily. Use cold water, do not use fabric softener, and air dry or tumble dry on low heat settings. Doing this preserves the microfiber's structure, maintaining a cleaning ability and softness for longer. Regular detergents and softeners coat the microfiber, reducing its effectiveness. Microfiber-specific detergents will help restore its cleaning power. The ninth hack is to use a microfiber towel to remove stubborn bugs or residue. All you gotta do is wet a microfiber towel and let it sit on the affected area for a few minutes before wiping off that bug splatter from the front of your car. The damp towel softens the residue, making it easier to remove without scratching the paint. Finally, a proper towel washing routine for longevity. Be sure to use a separate load of laundry specifically for microfiber towels. If washed with regular clothing, the microfiber towels will attract lint and dirt from it onto its fibers. So, it's always smart to let your soiled microfiber towels pile up and wash them together. These microfiber towel hacks are guaranteed to make your detailing process easy and efficient. That's the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and comment what kind of videos you want to see next. Be sure to check out these towels if you're interested in getting them. Links down in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Follow our social media, and I'll see you in the next Microfiber Monday.